Hello, my name is Serge Damon. I'm Chief Sustainability Officer of the Czechoslovak Group, and I'm here in beautiful Granada, Spain, to show you around one of the oldest ammunition production facilities in the world, FMG, which is a part of the CSG Defense Division and MSM Group since 2020. For 7 centuries, FMG has been making history. Not just watching it, but shaping it. It survived political storms, endured wars, became a key player in national and worldwide defense. Its legacy stands as a beacon to resilience and dedication. With FMG, the Czechoslovak Group demonstrates its global reach and commitment to being at the forefront of the defense industry and sustainable development.